Welcome to Tech Tide. Today we're unlocking the secrets of hidden doors, the ultimate in discreet design and clever craftsmanship. These ingenious entries blend seamlessly into walls, bookshelves, and more, adding a touch of mystery and elegance to any space. Whether you're looking to conceal a private room or create a hidden escape, we'll explore the innovative mechanisms and stylish solutions behind these concealed marvels. Hit subscribe and let's reveal the hidden potential of your space. Fancy Fence. Meet the Fancy Fence, a unique fencing system that combines security with sleek design. Unlike traditional fences, Fancy Fence is designed to be fully retractable, disappearing into the ground when not in use. This innovative feature allows for an unobstructed view and easy access when needed, while providing robust security when raised. The system is powered by a hydraulic mechanism that ensures smooth and silent operation. Made from high-quality, durable materials, Fancy Fence can withstand harsh weather conditions and provide long-lasting performance. It's customizable to fit various property sizes and styles, whether for residential or commercial use. When raised, the fence acts as a formidable barrier, deterring intruders and keeping your property safe. When retracted, it blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, offering an elegant solution that doesn't compromise on security. The system can be controlled remotely, allowing for easy operation from the comfort of your home or office. Fancy Fence is perfect for those who value both aesthetics and security, offering a modern approach to traditional fencing that enhances the beauty and functionality of any property. Klemens Torggler. Klemens Torggler, an Austrian artist and designer, has revolutionized door design with his innovative creations, often called evolution doors. These kinetic doors transform the mundane act of opening and closing into an artistic experience. Torggler's designs typically involve panels that fold, slide, or rotate in unexpected ways, challenging traditional door concepts. The Evolution Door, his most iconic piece, uses a unique mechanism that pivots two square panels diagonally across a doorway, eliminating the need for hinges or frames. This design not only offers functional elegance, but also serves as a kinetic sculpture, blending art and utility. Torggler's minimalist approach emphasizes the fluid interaction of the door with its surroundings, making his designs perfect for modern homes, galleries, or commercial spaces. His work is celebrated globally for its innovative engineering and artistic brilliance, marking a significant shift in contemporary design. Mayfield. Brett Mayfield's innovative door design stands out for its unique approach to opening and closing. Unlike traditional doors, which swing or slide, Mayfield's creation rotates to open, offering a striking and modern alternative. This door system is ideal for homeowners looking to make a bold statement in their living spaces. The rotating mechanism not only adds a touch of futuristic elegance, but also maximizes space efficiency. It's perfect for contemporary homes where design and functionality go hand in hand. Whether installed in a residential or commercial setting, Mayfield's door redefines what a door can be, merging cutting-edge engineering with aesthetic appeal. Lifestyle Screens. The Lifestyle Screens is a smart and eco-friendly solution for transforming your garage into a multifunctional space. A standout feature is its retractable roll-up passage door, which makes it incredibly easy to operate. When not in use, the screen door conveniently stores away, out of sight, maintaining your garage's clean and organized appearance. What sets this system apart is its green credentials. It doesn't require any electricity or power to operate, making it energy efficient. Additionally, 90% of the materials used in its production are recyclable, making it an environmentally responsible choice for homeowners. Whether you're looking to create a bug-free space for relaxation, hobbies, or gatherings, the Lifestyle Screen system offers a practical, stylish, and sustainable solution. Hidden Playroom. Imagine transforming an ordinary door into the gateway to a secret playroom. The Murphy door offers just that, a clever, space-saving solution that doubles as a functional bookshelf or decorative display when closed. But the real magic happens when you swing it open, revealing a hidden playroom behind it. This design not only maximizes space, but also adds a touch of mystery and fun to your home. Ideal for creating a private hideaway for kids or a concealed area for hobbies and relaxation, the Murphy door is as practical as it is imaginative. It's a perfect blend of creativity and functionality, turning an everyday doorway into an exciting secret passage, making your home truly unique. Hydraulic garage door. Hydraulic garage door is a perfect blend of innovation and design, seamlessly integrating with the exterior cladding of your home. From the street, it looks just like a regular wall, maintaining the aesthetic continuity of your house. However, with the push of a button, this unassuming wall transforms into a fully functional garage door. The hydraulic system ensures smooth and effortless operation, making it not just a door, but a statement piece. This hidden door concept adds a modern, sleek touch to your home, offering a unique and cool solution for those looking to maintain a clean, unobtrusive exterior. It's a perfect example of form meeting function in the most stylish way. Moveo Comfort Drive. The Moveo Comfort Drive is an ideal design solution for educational institutions, offices, hotels, and other bustling environments. This innovative system features movable partitions that can be reconfigured in real time, creating dynamic spaces that adapt to your needs throughout the day. The partitions are constructed from modular panels, some of which are solid walls while others include doorways, allowing for versatile layouts. Mounted on special rails in the ceiling, these partitions glide smoothly to redefine spaces in seconds. Despite their mobility, the partitions are stable and lightweight, ensuring comfort and safety. Additionally, they offer excellent acoustic insulation, making them perfect for busy areas where noise control is essential. The Moveo Comfort Drive brings the concept of flexible spaces to life, offering a blend of convenience, safety, and modern design. Kaleidoscope Doors. Next, we have the Kaleidoscope Doors, a stunning example of design influenced by the mesmerizing optical patterns of a kaleidoscope. These doors fold and spin, creating a captivating visual effect that transforms the traditional entrance into something truly unique. Featuring multiple hinges, the doors come together at the center, where they can be securely locked. The dynamic movement and intricate design make these doors a much more exciting and engaging alternative to conventional entryways. Avantgates Papillon series. The Avantgates Papillon series redefines entrance elegance with its sophisticated gate designs. Inspired by the graceful and intricate patterns of butterfly wings, these gates combine aesthetic appeal with functionality. Each gate in the Papillon series features a seamless blend of artistry and engineering, with precision-crafted elements that ensure durability and security. The gates can be customized to suit various architectural styles and are equipped with advanced automation systems for ease of use. Whether for residential or commercial applications, the Papillon series offers a striking and functional solution for modern entrances. Puerta Corredera. The Puerta Corredera is a sleek and modern sliding door system designed to optimize space and enhance functionality. Its smooth sliding mechanism allows for effortless operation and is perfect for both residential and commercial settings. The Puerta Corredera features a minimalist design with options for customizable finishes to match any decor. This system is ideal for creating open, fluid spaces while providing privacy when needed. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a practical and stylish choice for contemporary interiors. Vertical lift gate. From Italy, Avantgates introduces an innovative solution for tight parking spaces with their vertical lift gate. This sophisticated design caters to homeowners who need to optimize their parking area without compromising security. The gate's unique mechanism involves a vertical lifting arm that raises the fencing, creating a clear, unobstructed space for vehicles to enter. This system is particularly useful in scenarios where traditional swing gates or sliding gates would be impractical due to space constraints. Unlike conventional gates, the vertical lift gate is intended solely for vehicular access, with a separate pedestrian gate provided for foot traffic. When in operation, a flashing light activates to warn nearby pedestrians and drivers, ensuring safety and preventing any accidental collisions. The gate lifts straight up and inwards, so it doesn't encroach on the space outside the fence perimeter, preserving the integrity of the surrounding area. This design is akin to having an open-air garage door, offering a sleek, functional alternative for limited space environments. Avantgates' vertical lift gate exemplifies how necessity fosters innovation, providing a smart solution that efficiently utilizes vertical space while maintaining ease of access and security.